Hello, my name is Karin, and I am a children's librarian at the Elwood Public Library. Do you like Peeps? I do.
Peeps are so great, and they lend themselves to so many fun and cute ideas. Take a peek at our Peep houses. Made in a similar way to a holiday gingerbread house, here's a cute and fun craft you can put together with your kids to bring a little springtime inside your house.
Here's a peek at what you'll need.
Gingerbread crackers, Easter grass, Cadbury eggs or jelly beans, container of half and half, a small one, or a milk container, any tube of white frosting, a little bag, sandwich bag works great, and a scissor, and Peeps, of course. First step is to take your little bag and snip just a corner of the bag. You're going to fill the bag, sort of the same way as you would when you have a holiday gingerbread house. Inside, of course it's a little messy because I have a small bag, but if you use a sandwich bag, it shouldn't be so bad. You push it down, you're going to get piping. And what you're going to do is you are going to cover this half and half container or small milk container with the gingerbread, using the icing as your glue. First, want to prepare your little milk carton or half and half container by cutting one side of the walls completely and pushing in this tip so that it's inverted, and your gingerbread, or your graham cracker I should say, will lie perfectly straight. Your final step is to take your peep houses, put them on a platter with some Easter grass, some Cadbury eggs or jelly beans, and a peep inside each house. And you have a great centerpiece for your springtime table. Till next time, Peeps.